so that I give you my views about Busoga area.
Nsobole kuba kwendooza yange kubifa ku Busoga kitundu kye Busoga.
The NRM from the 1960s
NRM okuva mu myaka gy'enkaaga
saw the problems of Uganda at that time.
yabona ebizibu bya Uganda ebiseera ebyo.
The mistake our leaders had made was to bring politics of identity. So this sectarianism
era kino okusosola kuno
kwa madini
n'amawanga
had made politics governance impossible.
era kwaleetera okufuga nga ti kwangu, okulembera ti kwangu,
but also undermined institutions like the army.
era wajja okwesanga nga amagye nga ganoomebwa.
You can't build an army when you have sectarian politics. When you see a Musoga,
bw'obona Omusoga
alima ebikaado
ng'alimye ebikaado bye
producing sugar.
ebivaamu sukaali.
Sugar is bought by all Ugandans.
Sukaali agulibwa bannayuganda bona bona.
That's how the sugar industry survives.
Era bityo by'amakole biteekwa okubisobola okwemererawo.
But also,
aye n'ekindi
when you wake up,
bw'osituka enkyo
you find that the internal market of Uganda is not enough.
ojja okulinnya nga akatale ka Uganda konka tikamala.
We need the East African market.
Twetaaga n'akatale ng'aka East Africa yona yona.
Like the sugar industry.
nga industry ya sukaali.
We are now producing 700,000 tons of sugar.
Tuli kufulumya tons emitwalo 7.
But we are consuming only 300,000.
aye nga tuli kufuna tulikozesaako emitwalo 30
The surplus is sold to East Africa.
ebisigalo bijja mu katale ka East Africa.
A middle class.
Okutaawo abantu ab'enfuna ey'eku waiguluku bweyagati.
To cause social transformation.
Kuboneka nti embeera ife ekyuka ng'ejja mu maiso.
Now, the way to do it are two ways.
Engeri y'okola ekyo eri emirundi ebiri.
One is mass education.
Esooka n'okuboneka nti tusomesa abantu mu bungi.
Abaana
bona basomesa mu bungi.
That's why we introduce UPE.
Kyova UPE yateebwawo.
Because educated people will become new people.
Kuba abantu bwe basoma bakyuka bafuuka abantu bayaaka.
But secondly,
ekyokubiri,
everybody to join the money economy.
Abantu bona okutandika okwingira mu mbeera y'ebyenfuna y'ebyesente. Ebyokola sente.
So, when you talk of the sugar industry now,
bw'oyogera ku bya sukaali ku makolo ga sukaali buti,
which was revived but also expanded.
ebyayizibwa engulu ng'ate byagaziyizibwa.
It is the NRM which did it.
NRM yakikola ekyo.
Nobody else.
Gazawundi.
Because we are the ones who removed Idi Amin.
Kuba nife twatolawo Idi Amin.
We are the ones who removed Obote.
Nife twatolawo Obote.
And brought back these private sector people.
Era twayiza abo musiga nsimbi.
And they revived the tea industry.
Bayizaawo
the sugar industry.
Aikolero lya sukaali.
The industry.
Aikolero lya sukaali, amakolo ga sukaali.
N'amasamba.
Amakolo n'amasamba.
Now that is for the sugar industry.
Ekyo kigema ku sukaali ku industry ya sukaali.
But we were also very clear that, please, this sugar industry,
twali
although we are reviving it, it's not for people with small acres. You need infrastructure.
wetaaga enguudo n'ebintu byokozesa.
And if you see Busoga area,
Era olinjira ekitundu kyaffe ky'Ebusoga.
First we repaired the main road from Jinja to Malaba.
Twakola oluguudo okuva Idinda okujja e Malaba.
I think we have done it like 2 times now.
Ndowooza twakalukola emirundi ebiri buti.
Then we started a new road, the one from Nakalama to Tirinyi to Mbale.
Twakola oluguudo oluyaka okuva e Nakalama olubita e Tirinyi olutuuka e Mbale.
Then we repaired the road from Jinja to Kamuli.
Kale twayiramu okola oluguudo okulutereeza okuva Idinda okujja e Kamuli.
And we repaired the road from Iganga to Kaliro.
Twalongosa n'oluguudo okuva Iganga okujja e Kaliro.
And then we built a new road from Musita to Mayuge to Namayingo to Busia.
Okuva e Musita obuyita e Mayuge Namayingo paka e Busia.
And we have got plans for the Kamuli Bukungu.
Era tulina pulaani okuva e Kamuli okujja e Bukungu.
Ambakot Budondo Mbulamuti.
Oluguudo okuva Ambakoti Budondo Mbulamuti era n'engalo mwebale kuva mu ngalo. Paka Mbulamuti Budondo Butagaya kubita omwana
Kamuli.
Paka Kamuli.
And then the one from Iganga to Chiyunga.
Ngabo oluva Iganga Walugogo lwabita ekiyunga era lwajja paka Bulo paka Kamuli.
Yes. So this is for the roads.
Dino dona engudo tetwogerako.
I don't have to talk about electricity.
Tienda na kwogera ku by'amasannyalaze mbibona.
You can go and check, you know.
Minzo checkinga nti amasannyalaze mbitundu ebisinga mpiga bitusema amasannyalaze n'ekituufu.
Now, but also there is peace.
N'ekindi yali emirembe.
Because the country had no peace.
Akuba ebiseera bye country ensi tiyalina mirembe.
NRM has been able to guarantee peace.
NRM nesobola okuleeta emirembe.
And because of that,
olw'ensonga eyo,
and because of the infrastructure, because of electricity,
olw'ensonga olw'okuba n'enguudo n'amasannyalaze,
the dams are in Busoga.
Ni daamu diri Busoga.
Narobare is on the other side of Buganda side, but near Jinja.
Narubale yona eri side eyo Idinda.
Chira, the one of on the other side of the Nile.
Chira yona eri ku side ya Nile.
Then the next station.
Isimba.
Not Isimba, the old one. Bujagari. Isimba. These are in Busoga. And they are all new. When I take the totality, for anybody to say that Busoga has not benefited, is really enemy action. Because you want the people to abandon their interests and do other things. So therefore, I am happy to... And when people are fighting, what are you fighting for? Because the mission is to make this wananchi go into the economy, money economy.
Ekigendererwa ky'abantu baife okutandika okubona nga ebyenfuna byabwe bitumbuka batandika okufuna sente okuba nga bali mu byesente ebinyiza okukola ebintu ebinyiza sente
with ekibalo
nga lyo n'ekigendererwa n'ekibalo.
That's all.
Nekyo kyonka.
What else do you want from the people?
Kiki ekindi kitwetaaga mu bantu?
Just show them the way. This is how join the money economy.
Tubalage injira gye bayinza okubitamu okutuuka mu lugendo olw'okufuna ku byenfuna byabwe okutumbuka kyonka kye tube tukole.
And you ensure that the money which the government has sent to help the people reaches where it is supposed to go.